welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna. If you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you as always for clicking on my video. So as you can see in the background, we are in a different area, and I just wanted to do something a little bit different instead of focusing more on like hair and other things that I do show on my channel. I want to show, or basically show like my personality a little bit more as I'm growing on YouTube, and why not with an actual unpopular opinions video. I thought that would be a good idea because y'all, it's so much going on and I'm just like, really? To do a chit chat more on like my random thoughts, or I thought it would be cool to give my, little unpopular opinion and everything while I'm smoking on my hookah. I just got this hookah in the mail and it's almost set up completely. So yeah, so if you're interested in seeing what I'm going to be rambling about or whatever, just make sure you keep on watching. Okay, so this is the hookah that I do have. I just got this hookah off of Amazon. And I'll have, if you're interested in this hookah, I will definitely have a link down below. This is my very first hookah. I've never had one before. I want to get like more of a acrylic hookah because plastic, I don't want to break no glass or nothing like that. So I went with this one. It had good reviews on it. So yeah, that's where we're at with that. So I need to go ahead and finish up setting up this hookah, and so I'm gonna do that and we'll be right. Okay, so I am back. Everything's put together, and the flavor that I'm using is blueberry mint. So good. It's my first time trying this flavor, and I heard it's a very popular flavor. So yeah, it's really good. And I use the coconut charcoals. If somebody's interested about that, that's what I use. And another reason why I got this particular hookah is because, of course, the acrylic, but it has LED lights. So, you can't really, hold on. Voila! So it does have LED lights, and I think that is so cool. But I'm gonna just stick it to like one color. Probably like purple. Yeah, I'm feeling the purple vibes. But anyway, let me get a few. Okay, a few random topics, some related to now and stuff like that. But anyway, so yeah, this video is about my unpopular opinion per se. The first thing that that has been out in the world on social media is Jada Smith. Y'all, now y'all really taking it to heart on what she said on the Red Table Talk. This is basically pertaining to what she said on the Red Table Talk. She didn't say anything to me. She did not say anything wrong about her husband. She didn't say anything wrong about Will or whatever. She didn't mention that he's not basically fulfilling her needs. It's just the fact that they've been married for so many years, and you would think that your partner would know exactly like how you're feeling after a certain amount of years. Y'all ran and took that and spun it, basically, not y'all, but people in general ran and took that and spun it into something else, like she was really doing saying stuff about Will. Basically, I guess my thing is she didn't say anything bad, but I get why people may have took it the wrong way, especially men, of course. They took it the wrong way. It's because she's been in an entanglement. I didn't say it, everybody. She said that. She's been in an entanglement, and she has made it known vocally about their marriage. Well, both of them have. And so it's just like an awkward situation. It's like basically you're putting your foot in your mouth. Like, do you really want... I just feel like what she said was not wrong, but I just feel like Jada should just be quiet, especially about her marriage. If it's something else you want to talk about her career and stuff like that, that's totally fine. But as of right now, until things die down, stop talking about your marriage. Stop talking about, you know, what you were dealing with in the past, what's going on right now, blah blah blah, whoop whoop. I just feel like she just needs to be quiet on that particular subject. What she said, again, what she said wasn't wrong, but at the same time, they have had so many things that come out about them, about their marriage. I mean, why people would not believe, you know, that you said something wrong or said something ill towards your husband. But that's one thing on my noggin thing. Is y'all already know Summer Walker has come out with her new album, and let's just say it is a banger. Now, again, I personally think that it is a banger. Her whole album, none of the tracks are horrible. None of the tracks are horrible. Everybody know about her situation. Everybody know what she has been through and what she's trying to overcome and everything like that. I don't see anything wrong with listening to her album or nothing, because first of all, I'm not in a bad relationship. I'm not in a bad situationship. I'm not in drama. I'm a happy-go-lucky type of person right now. My life is going great. But at the same time, I'm not going to stop listening to her album just because, ooh, she talking bad about this. No, I am a true R&B type of girl. So that's the love. I just love R&B music. So I'm going to gravitate towards music that's more R&B related, even though it's not the same, like, you know, back in the 90s. But her album does give out that vibe. So even though the whole album is great, I've only downloaded like 6 or 7 songs, top songs that I actually like vibe with and that I can listen to and stuff like that. But I'm not going to stop listening to it, because a lot of people, like on Facebook and stuff like that, on Twitter and stuff like that, said they can't listen past a few songs because they can't relate to, you know, basically her situation and stuff like that, or it's not giving what they thought it was supposed to give when it comes to like her other album that she came out with, Over It or whatever. I don't see nothing wrong with this damn album. I mean, people just literally taking it to heart, talking about it ain't what is given or whatever. I think that it is given, and some stuff you may not be able to relate to. Hey, that's fine and dandy, but don't say that you're not going to listen to the album just because you're not in that type of situation. You can just vibe out to the music. If you're not really I just feel like those type of people are not really like R&B fanatics. Like they are, but then again, they're not. They're more into like trap, rap and stuff like that. Mo3, people like that, you know, that they can relate to. But overall, that album is bomb. My top song right now is No Love. Snippet. Let me see if I can play a snippet. But yeah, her album is a vibe. Okay, next thing that be on my mind, or what's on my mind right now, is Christmas, y'all. Granted, it is fall. Granted, it's November. But dang, just because Halloween hasn't even completely left just yet. Can y'all wait? Can y'all pull? I understand getting the sales with the Christmas trees, Christmas decorations. pulling out your stuff, but you ain't got to put it up just yet. Let Thanksgiving pass. I don't understand. I love Christmas. I get it. I understand. But dang, can you let Thanksgiving come and go first before you pulling out your tree? I mean, granted, I know it's going to take a lot of time and decorations, blah, blah, blah. But can we get through Thanksgiving first? Can you prepare? Can you put your list down on what you're going to get for Thanksgiving? All the ingredients and stuff. And worry about that first instead of worrying about skipping over Thanksgiving and going straight into Christmas. Like, can we just chill? Make sure you stay hydrated. But anyway, I gotta get some tips for these because I thought they came with tips, but I guess this one doesn't. So yeah, for whoever comes over and stuff and want to smoke, I gotta get some tips. But anyway, like I was saying about Christmas, even though it is November, can we just hold off a little bit? Not that long. I already know it's gonna right around the corner, but I want to get through this first holiday. Well, actually this third holiday. It's not third holiday. Actually, the second holiday before we get to Christmas, or the final holiday, or third holiday, whatever you want to say. So random thoughts just be in my head. But one thing that I have noticed, like since I am older or whatever, the movies that I watched as a child are not hitting like I thought they were hitting when I was a kid. Like my mindset, I guess because, you know, our mindset is totally different from what it used to be. It's not so innocent and stuff like that. Or it's not so innocent, but I'm just like, I was watching, or not too long ago, I was watching Baby Boy. I'm just like, why do I even like this movie? It's not that good at all. And I know a lot of people like Baby Boy. At first, like, to be honest, I really didn't like Baby Boy like that. Now, for sure, as I got older, I definitely do not like Baby Boy. And I'm just like, this grown man is in a, I guess what, like, in the beginning, you know what I'm talking about. And I'm just like, this movie ain't all that. Jody, my Jody, like, girl. Like, you complaining about this grown man that don't have a car, riding on a bike, living with you or living with his mama, and got all these issues going on. Like, girl, you can do bad or you can do better all by yourself. But anyway, that's just an example of a movie. And also like Pootie Tang. Pootie Tang was, I don't know what I was thinking when I was a kid. Pootie Tang is not all that. It's not even funny. I really thought that it was funny back then, but it's not. So I'm just like, damn, as I get older, I see everything has changed, or my mindset has changed and stuff. So, but that leads me to my next topic is, I was just doing a throwback not too long ago on my Instagram or whatever, and I noticed how back then, when like in my early 20s, how I thought that I was just like this huge person. Not huge, but like I was on, or I had a little fupa, or I thought I had a little fupa or whatever. It's crazy how now looking back on my pictures, like, Brianna, really? You really thought that your pictures, or you really thought that in your head that you were big? And thinking on it now, like how I have changed or how I have gained weight. But back I'm just like, wow, I really was skinny, or I really was not big in my head. I don't know where that came from. I don't know what. I don't know. That's what brings me to my point, like how our minds change, or how we get older as people and grow and see things in life and everything. I just think it's just fascinating to see how pictures from back then can give you a perception on what you thought as a person. Oh, and I also saw about the Astro World Festival. I didn't really want to dive into too much into that, because I was looking at videos, people are saying that Travis Scott did see the situation that was happening, and then a lot of people saying that that he didn't see the situation that was going on. I just hope that I heard that he put out a tweet and everything, and how he was devastated, and how he's working with the law enforcement situation. I just hope that he does actually like help with the costs and stuff, or give people their money back, or help with the cost of like the funerals and stuff like that. I just hope he just does the right, regardless of the fact that, you know, he may have or may have not known about the situation that was going on. I hope he does actually goes through and help with all of the families that have lost a loved one and stuff like that. I didn't really want to dive into too much of that because it's involving death and stuff, but I did want to say that little part in my random thoughts, because I know that's going on in the social media world or in the world general. So yeah, that was basically it regarding my random thoughts. Just wanted to come on here and show you more of my personality and everything, and just get to know me better as a person, see where, you know, where my head is at and everything as a person, because, you know, you want to know exactly who you're following. You want to get to know them more personable, and I thought this would be a great idea. I don't know, I just thought it was a cool idea to do. If you have any other video suggestions that you want me to do, this biased, unpopular opinion about a few things or whatever. But again, I will have a link down below of this hookah if you're interested in it. It's a nice hookah. The instructions, they do come with a user manual, but that it didn't work. I got confused, so I'm just like, what is this? So I went online and looked at the pictures and saw how to put it together and stuff, and it was super easy. When you look at the pictures, it's super easy. But this will be linked down below. I used the coconut charcoal, so I heard they last longer, and then I have the blueberry mint. And so yeah, so this isn't like a long video. I didn't want it to be a super long video, but if you guys enjoyed my little chit chat and everything, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you subscribe if you're new. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching it if you made it this far. And make sure you share this video. Share, like, comment, subscribe down below. And until next time, guys. Bye.